Hello, dear learners of class 3rd. As you know that we are doing unit number 5 of PB, that is your verb. Yesterday we did the definition, examples and physical action verbs. Now today we are going to do some more example related to other types of verbs there. Okay. See here we are going to know about mental action verbs today. Okay. See the example here we have some highlighted words think, likes, hear and invite. These all words belong to your mental action words. Now what are mental action verbs? See the verbs which we can't see. We can only observe by feeling or sensing them. Okay? So in other words I can say the words which do not express any physical action but they express action that happen mentally. That kind of words will include you in your mental action verbs. See here I have the example there. I have many words there which I have to put in these two boxes. Okay, so I'm putting the words in different boxes. Here the first box belongs to your words expressing physical actions and words expressing mental action, that is the next box. So here I have put move, look, jump, eat, throw, and the next I have put feel, imagine, suggest, believe, wish. So see, move, look, jump, eat, throw, these words can be seen, but when it comes to feel, imagine, suggest, believe, wish, these words can only feel. Okay, means we can find out these words only mentally. So these are your physical and mental action verbs. See in the next we have a passage there and fill-ups are there in the passage. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to use the given words given in the 8 box. Okay, so that the given passage will become the right one. Okay, and we can have the meaningful sentences. So let me read for you. I wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning. I brush my teeth, clean my face and take a bath. I eat breakfast and leave for school. I boarded the school bus and reached the school in time. I studied there for the whole day and play during the recess. I come back at 3 p.m. and finish my homework. Then I sleep for about an hour and go with my friends in the evening. So see dear children, the words I have put there, they all are your verbs. Okay, and I have tried to fill the verb in an appropriate place. Okay, in this way you also have to do this question. See, the verbs that we have discussed earlier, they are the main verbs. Okay, now the verbs like is, are, has, have, they are also the verbs and they are the helping verbs. Okay, sometimes in a sentence we can have more than one verb. Okay, that will be your helping verb and main verb there. Okay, like here we have the example, the sun is shining. Here is your helping verb and shining is your main verb. Okay, main verb means main action. Okay, and is, that verb is helping this action verb. Okay, next is your Rohit was talking on phone. So was and talking are the verbs there. Okay, was is your helping verb and talking is the main verb here. My cousin will be visiting us tomorrow. So here will be and visiting, that are the verbs given there. So to identify helping verb and the main verb in the sentences, let's do this question. Okay, see here we have given he broke a chair. Here broke is the action word. Sanya won the title. Here One is the action verb here. Okay. Niti has new laptop. So here has and bought are the helping verb there. Is reading in the next. Is in E part. In F we have made. In G we have invited. In H we have loves. In I we have close. J we have will and go. K we have are and listening. And in L we can have the main verbs as well as the helping verbs in the given examples. Here you can see the placing of verbs is always after the naming word or the pronoun there. Okay, or replacing word. Okay, so that will be the placing after the naming or replacing word. Clear? That is the verb. Now in the last we have riddles. Okay, what we have to do, we have to underline the verbs. Okay, and we have to solve the riddles. Okay, I won't do this question. I will give you this question. Okay, to find it yourself. Okay, I hope you will all try to do this question. That's all about your chapter verbs. Thank you.